Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of TheRealNesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, I've got something for all my sports people that watch the channel, for all you joggers, you gym rats, and all the people that just like to do a lot of athletic and sport-like thing. I got something for you today. This unboxing is for you. Let's unbox this baby and see what we got for you guys. Oh yeah, that's right, you guys. Look what we got. We got the water bottle hand fan. That's right, this one is in black. It does come in blue. But it's a water bottle hand fan. And basically what this fan is, it's waterproof, drop resistant. Basically the inventor of this fan, made this for anybody that needs to get hydrated and you need to cool down. It's a rechargeable fan that's built into it. It's foldable fan. It's got 3 different charging speeds. You can take the water in your mouth and strong cool breeze blows in, so the water stays nice and cool. This is handheld, contains 1 straw, 1 filter, and is a leak-proof chug lid. There's also an interesting history behind the maker of this right here. Jackie, the inventor of the hand fan water bottle, suffered from severe diarrhea during a trip abroad in 2016. It turned out that he drank the tap water directly. The doctor judged that it may be caused by the aging of local water pipes, the increase of impurities and bacteria in the water. So basically, he decided to, invent something that will be more better than tap water, be a little bit more pure, that he could bring his own water and it stay fresh. The fan was easy design. Bottle lid is completely different. The first problem, he had different problems that he went through, but after 5 years and hundreds of experiments, he finally came out with this design right here. Open this baby up. As you can see right out the gate, look like we have the cap right here inside of it. So this is the actual cap, so when you're not drinking it, you can close this baby up. Nice solid design right there. Let's see what else we got here. Just a little instruction manual. Right here, this basically just let you know the cap is going to be a little bit tight at first, but it'll loosen up after you start to use it. Oh, here we go. We got the actual bottle right here. Hey, you guys, let's bring this out. Get it out, get it out, get it out. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. We got the main event now. What's else in here? I think it's something else in here. Yeah, we got a, what is this? Oh, okay, a cleaning brush. We got a cleaning brush in here so you can clean out, the inside of your. Look at that boy. Ooh, that thing's shiny. Okay, there we go, you guys. Look at that baby. Nice design. The hand fan. Health surpass. Inventor of fan water bottle. Ooh, look at that shine on that baby. That thing gleaming. On the top right there, we got more things on the inside there. Let's get this out. Yes, sir. Put that on the side. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so underneath the fan cover, we got the actual fan. As you can see, the fan is adjustable. You can adjust the angles at different angles. You also have an indicator there on the fan. The indicator lets you know whether the battery is at different levels. So you get, you got 25%, 50%, and 75%. So it'll let you know how much of a charge you have left on it. Like I say, this is Type C USB charging. So it'll let you know how much of a charge you have left on the fan. And it also has 2 different things. You have charging and you have working. So that's all in the instructions there. Also, let's see what else we got in here. What else is in these bags? Okay, right here looks like we have a clip on, so if you're jogging, you can clip it onto your side and have it right there. Oh, here's the USB charging cable right there, like say Type C. And the charger cable goes right over here. Bingo. Yep, you put that right there, then you can charge it up. Once you see the indicator getting down under 25%, you want to charge it up. It'll be flashing, it'll let you know it needs to be charged up. The next thing we have here, let's see. Oh yeah, we've got seal rings. You put the seal ring. The instruction shows you how to put the seal rings underneath the cap, the filter. You have 3 of those. You have a head cover, steel ring, and also I think is inside here. Yep, there's the straw, installation position of the straw and the filter. Right there, that's the filter body. So you put all that together, then you put that inside, and then you drink, from the outside. So that's just an extra straw there. I thought it would be too deep, but that's just an extra straw for you right there. There's the fan. Let's kind of put it together real quick, and we can show you what's happening. So everything, once you put your filter in there, then your straw in there, and everything goes right inside the tube there. And then, as you know, from the side, like I said, you remember they said the tight is going to be a little tight initially, but after that it'll loosen up, so you can go right on. And then you drink right from the side. You angle it however you want to drink it, right from the side. Then you angle that fan up, then you got your drink and you got the fan. Everything is nice and cool, and then you're good to go. So when you're at the gym, when you're jogging, whatever you're doing, you can always stay hydrated with some nice cool liquid, water, Gatorade, whatever you want to do to stay nice and cool, and you can cool yourself down. There's a nice cover you put back on it. This is real nice design. I like this. And then when you want to close everything up, you just put the top cap on it, and then everything is sealed down. So you see we got the fan cover is on the top of the top half of it. Let me sit my camera down so I can use 2 hands with this bad boy. Oh yeah, so nice hard plastic. Got a little handle right there on the side too. Oh yeah, there's the drinking tab. You fold that out so you can drink right from the side here. There's the fan cover. I like this. It's a very nice hand fan water bottle. You guys definitely need to check this out and get one of these, a couple of these. Very affordable. As you know, I always have the link below in the description of the hand fan water bottle. Nice story behind it. The whole story is right on the side of the box. So nice, you can carry it, clip it. So make sure you guys definitely pick this up. You won't be disappointed. Hand bottle water fan, hand fan. So definitely get it. I get to see you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to the video, and we're gonna see you on the next one. Peace.